Hey everyone, Logan here from Metro Restyling, and today I'm going to be going over an awesome product by Mfinity Coatings called Preserve. What Preserve is it's a waterless wash, but it's also a ceramic coating at the same time. So with that, you got a 20% silica dioxide count. With normal products, you're looking into the range of 7 to 12%. With this stuff, it's great because you don't have to worry about it for 3 months. You have an outstanding hydrophobic coating left on your vehicle. What's awesome about this Mfinity-based ceramic cleaner is that it's versatile on all surfaces, whether it be glass, paint, plastics, chrome. It's basically good on everything. So what we'll do is we'll start off by spraying our glass. All right, so now we're gonna take our clean towel. And mind you, what you're gonna do with this product, you don't wanna smear around the dirt on the surface. You wanna do even wipes, and you're pulling the dirt off each time. You're not just depositing it and smearing it around for a different place. As you can see on the rag, that's a crazy amount. So now what we'll do with our other clean side is we'll just come back through. Now, because this product does have silica dioxide in it, you will have to level it or it will leave streaks, high spots, etc. But as long as it's wiped off and buffed in, won't have any issue. All right, now that our glass is clean, coated, and protected, we'll move on to the paint now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do from this blue tape line all the way over, and then we'll do the taillights last. So what I'm gonna start off by doing, grabbing my product. So what I'm doing here is I'm making sure the surface is evenly sprayed and there's not any spots on the surface that I'm gonna catch the towel on necessarily. You don't want that mainly because you could scratch the vehicle or you're not even gonna clean your area because you don't have any product on there. So what we're gonna do now is the same technique we used on the glass. We're gonna take it, the one swipe method. All right, so now that I'm about halfway down, make sure that you're flipping your towel regularly. All right, now we're just gonna go over it one more time with the clean side. Making sure we're leveling out this coating. Now that we have our coating on the trunk all leveled out, now we're gonna move down to the dirtiest part of the vehicle, the rear bumper. The way I have this sectioned off right now, this car is super dirty. I always recommend smaller sections when you get into a vehicle with this much dirt, mainly to knock back on the surface scratches, surface marring, and just depositing dirt around still. So now what we'll do, move on to the bumper here. Still evenly coating it to make sure there's no low spots and no dry spots. Take your product, one wipe. Now that the surface is clean and coated, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tape off, see these results. All right, so a quick demonstration. Normally this product takes a whole 24 hours to cure, but to just show you these results, we're gonna go ahead and dump some water on our non-coated surface and our coated surface.